Hello all. So we are in the implementation session of a prompt-driven test approach to demo. As I explained you in the previous session, I'm going to walk through on approach to demo. Previously, I have walked through on approach one. So in this particular demo, we are going to give all prompts at one time to generate the test. Let's see that one. So this is the similar example I have taken so that you can easily understand what we are doing over here in this particular in AI, in the approach to. Okay, so what we are doing is we are taking all these steps mm, uh, into the AI system and see how the test is being generated. Okay, I'm just copying all these steps. These are all simple the steps. So now I'm going to the KaneAI. See here, this is the one. I'm going to start the journey from the creative web test. Okay, now the VM is launched. The default Google the browser is launched, and here in this one, earlier we have given the single step. Okay, as a prompt. Now I have copied all the steps and I have given over here. See, the first step already automatically it is created. Okay, so the URL and followed by these things, next steps. So here addition totally 10 steps. Now what I will do is I will press on this particular enter. See here. So it will analyze and it will launch the application, that is web form. And then whatever the next step that I have given is, hey, validate web form whether application after launching the application. Now it is doing that one. So textful query it is created and it is validating that one. Okay. Now entering value in the this particular text input. See here, value is entered. The next step is entering value in the this input field, the password field. The next is entering value in the text area. Okay, validate check the radio button is the selected by default or not, that it is doing. Previously checked status by default or not, it is created that step. Submit button is whether it is enabled, but enabled state or not, it is checking. And it is performing the the action on the submit button. So the action is performed. And it has to validate the form submitted message. So all 10 steps is now completed. So after this one, so you can finish this to save the this particular created test. So like previously in the approach one also we have shown this, we have seen this particular screen. Here also we can, and we are going to this particular web form folder, select folder, and then PDT demo test approach 2. Okay, so and then we have a description over here, but if you want we can change it based on the given requirement. Functional, and select status. I'm doing the, again I'm putting the smoke. Okay, so now it will save this particular test case. Automatically it is launched, this one. Then it is created the test over here. Okay, whatever the 10 steps that you have given is automatically it is created. Okay, how quickly it is created. So you can see the code automatically it will generate, and the version history it is the generated. Okay, and You can go to the summary again. I wanted to delete or I wanted to update. See here. See here. So we have landed on this one, and it will be created the sequential flow whatever we have given. The test already built, right, saved. So as per that saved test, it will execute the actions on given application. So this is the form, the steps that we have given. In this one, I will delete one step and see how that is being tracked in the version history. Okay. So here everything is created, the assertion and the actions on the application and inputting the values, etc. It has given. Now what I will do is um, validate the form submitted message, and this one what I will do is validate this one, validate submit button. I wanted to delete from this one. Okay, so I'm just I'm clicking on this one to delete, and then it will allow you to rerun. Okay, so ensure that one whatever the actions that we have taken is not impacting the existing script. Okay, it's up to you based on the the your test. If at all you wanted to see whether it is running properly or not, you can do it. Otherwise you can directly save it. So for demo purpose, I have taken this one so that we can connect easily. Also, this is on beta version, so that's the reason having the time constraints. I have taken this application so that we can easily connect uh, what we have talked about so far on the previous sessions, so that it is helpful to start the journey on this particular service, AI service. Okay. Now, what I will do is I'm just saving this one. So, remote validation of submit button is enabled state from the instructions. So, it is giving automatically, it is giving. If you wanted to alter, you can alter it this one, save test case. So, it is the saved in the this one. Okay. So, this is how we can, in the approach to at a time, you can give all these steps and it will generate and you can update it based on your need if you require it. Okay. So this is about the approach to. Okay. So these are the instructions, and so these are the same I have given whatever I have shown you. So in this particular approach to, we are launching the KaneAI and starting the journey by create a web test. Web agent with VM browser is launched over here in this next screen. And the third, we are entering all the steps over here in the chart input box for the AI system to process it. And the process step generation is under process in this one. So the test generation is whatever we have is completed and we can finish the test. And the test is prompting user to save it in the test manager, and the test manager ready for further edit if any on this particular created test. So this is about prompt driven test approach to. Okay, based on your requirement you can route creation of your test, whether you want to be in the approach 1 or approach 2. Okay. um, Thanks. I think I'll show you in the next mode of test in the next session.